Alright guys, this is break number 702. 2015 Black Gold, 2015 Luxe Football. We're going to go ahead and open Black Gold first. LA Auto, you're not asking for much, are you, Tim? Just an LA Auto, no big deal. We have pulled, I think it was Joe Montana out of Luxe. Luxe produces some really pretty cards. They're, at least one of them is usually a metal card, like metal frame. Black Gold, capable of pulling some pop on its own. Let's see what we can get out of here first. Top loaders. I have been burning through 130-point top loaders like crazy. Black Gold looks like it's going to come with a little bonus, and it's not a little bonus. It is probably the hit of the break right out the gate. This isn't normal to be in Top School. I've never pulled his autograph before. That is a monster. Aaron Rodgers autograph card for the Green Bay Packers, going to Chris Saunders. Chris, you want to know why you go into these? You go into these for cards like this. I saw your comment too late. Nice hit, bud. I don't really know why that card is in Black Gold, but I'm happy about it. I know you are. It was unnumbered, by the way. No number on it. Next hit is a dual relic. This one is Odell Beckham Jr. and Dez Bryant. Giants and Cowboys, number to 49. Giants, Chris Kiefer. And it does look generic. You're right. Cowboys, Chris Kiefer, and Giants, Chris Kiefer. Oh, no coin flip. Going to you, Chris. Nice hit. And you're going to go back to back here. This one a franchise gold. That's cooler than 2016. I like that one better. The shadow box of Tony Romo, Michael Irvin, Emmitt Smith. The lettering here is almost faded. You can see that. You still see it, but it does look almost faded. Number to 199 on that card. Just got here. Go back through, Chris. When you didn't hit anything, you never hit anything. Like, especially not an Aaron Rodgers autograph. It's not numbered. It shocked us. First card out. Aaron Rodgers. It's a nice hit. Then we had dual relic, Odell Beckham, Dez Bryant, and the Cowboys. Franchise gold. I was saying about your comment at the end of last break. That's why you buy into the box breaks. Sometimes it does pay off. Jay Ajayi, Dolphins rookie. Metal card numbered out of 49, seal of approval. I'm going to have to box that one up for the Dolphins, going to Justin Jenkins. And here's the man again, Aaron Rodgers. Shadow box number to 49 for the Packers. That one also going to Chris Saunders. That's the way it goes sometimes. I see some people come in and they'll one spot a big hit. I'll see some people pump in a whole bunch of spots and skunk. I feel bad for it. Then I get excited though when the big ones come. You know me, I want to keep breaking. So I want you guys to hit. It's hard. Alright, pack number 2. I'm gonna start off with an autograph, so I'm gonna flip them and pull out our third Cowboys card. This one another shadow box. Emmitt Smith, number to 199. And a Chris Kiefer again. Yeah, Josh, this is the one you're in. The Steelers, Rams, Lions, somebody else. For the Cardinals, team symbol Michael Floyd, number to 143. It's another one I'm going to have to box up because of the size. I have not found good supplies to hold those. That one going to Michael Wright. At some point, Chris, I might be able to tell you. I've been doing some work on a little side project. Actually got a friend helping me out. I don't want to hype it because I've hyped things before that fell through. But I am working on some things. Andrew Luck, Golden Arms, Shadow Box. Numbers on the back out of 199. That one going to Matt Vitagliano. Next up is a quad relic Tyler Lockett, rookie gold prospecting, number to 199 for the Seattle Seahawks. Tyler Lockett is going to Mike Self. I swear these sleeves seem like they're too big. I have Ultra Pro sleeves and BCW top loaders, and they kind of cause for a pain. I got old teams on there. My bad. Let me fix that. There. That should fix it. Last card out of black gold of Rashad Perryman for the Ravens. The old inset autograph there. Numbered out of 99. That hit going to Josh Holbrook. It's like this pack of sleeves is fatter than others or something. They're supposed to. This break I had the wrong team scroll up. Alright, Luxe, always a pretty cool product. Only supposed to have 4 cards in there. They come in this little box. It's kind of cool, but it's kind of dumb at the same time. It doesn't close. It'd be a lot cooler if they did. That's another option. Then we'll ship you a box and then ship you one of these Luxe boxes. I don't know if I have them anymore though. It comes with these metal cards. Looks like we got 5 cards in here. We got 3 die cuts and 2 metal cards. We got a bonus hit. It said 4 hits, and we got 5 coming. First up is Jay Ajayi for the Dolphins, number /99 on card rookie autograph. That's a nice one. That card going to Justin Jenkins. You want the box, Matthew? Yeah, let me know. Yeah, I can see that with black gold teams doubling up. Next up is Sean Mannion, rookie patch auto. Didn't use that good of a marker there. That one for the Los Angeles Rams says St. Louis Rams on card. Number /99. That's the metal card I was speaking of. It's heavy. It's got a metal frame to it. That one going to Josh Wilkerson. And before we get to the next one, I don't have a top loader for it. For the Minnesota Vikings, rookie auto Stephon Diggs, number /49. That's a pretty cool one. Couple good rookies so far in this one. And for the Vikings, that card going to Matt Vitagliano. Next up is a 4-color rookie patch of Carlos Williams for the Buffalo Bills, number /25. So I guess we got an extra relic. The last card here, a relic. It'd probably been cool to open these the other way. For the Buffalo Bills, going to Justin Jenkins. Last card of the break is Alfred Morris for the Washington Redskins. Red relic on that one, number /25. And that card going to Josh Wilkerson. So that's it. Solid break. Some nice hits. One monster. Cardinals team symbol Michael Floyd. I'm going to be boxing those up in one of these boxes with some fillers in it to protect them. They don't fit anything else. And Dolphins Jay Ajayi, rookie NFL Shield metal. And the other ones. Alfred Morris Redskins relic. Carlos Williams 4-color patch for the Bills. Stephon Diggs rookie auto Vikings. Sean Mannion RPA for the Rams. Jay Ajayi rookie autograph for the Dolphins. Ravens Brashad Perryman. That one a rookie auto. Four patches Tyler Lockett. Gold prospecting rookie Andrew Luck. Shadow box for the Colts. Emmitt Smith shadow box. For the Cowboys, Aaron Rodgers shadow box Packers. Cowboys franchise gold, Romo Smith and Michael Irvin. Oh, why wouldn't they put Aikman on there? Silliness. Dual relic, that one, Odell Beckham, Des Bryant, Chris Kiefer owned both. The hit of the break, the surprise, Aaron Rodgers. On card auto for the Green Bay Packers. That was it. I'm done for the night. It's getting a little late. I'm worn out. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll have our big one at 12 p.m. Central, noon Central Time. I'm going to post it. We're praying on breaking it tomorrow night.